Hello friends, welcome to our channel in Aanav Creation Digital Marketing Season 2. Our topic is your long-term social media plan. Please keep this video in mind that you have to see this video complete till end so that you can know that how much it is beneficial for you. Because social media long-term plan is a very important thing for you in digital marketing. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is your long-term social media plan in the digital marketing. Hey, getting serious with social media means a lot of work and you can find yourself lost pretty quickly if you don't have a plan. This video will give you all the details you need to put a plan on a paper and show you some tools that can help you put into an action. Let's jump straight in. If you have already started with the dabble in social media, you have probably noticed how much work it takes to do things well. It's not easy to keep everything up to date, reply and interact with all your connections as well. Oh, come up with a steady stream of ideas for unique, interesting things to be posting at all the time across a number of different networks. Don't worry, the key is to sit down and sketch out of a formal plan for what you want to post and when you want to post and where it makes sense to post and even who at your business should be posting. Why is that so helpful to you? Well, if you just assume that you will have enough free time to come up with a creative, compelling post on the spot, the odds are that you will end up disappointed. Life gets in that way. Other things take priority, and without a plan, your social pages might end up being silent for too long, or your post might be lower quality because you are feeling pinched for time. It's understandable this stuff is challenging for you, and you have got a lot going on, but the truth is a good social media strategy deserves just as much careful thought and planning as any other type of marketing. Alright, so what should your social media plan look like for you? Consider the next 6 to 12 months and starting creating a calendar. Sketch out details like what topics it makes sense for you to post about it, what's your audience interested in, then take it in a step further. When does it make sense to post about those topics? If we go back to our Indian ethnic wear shop, think about when there might be a major fashion show, special shopping seasons like wedding or Diwali or etc. Other timely events that you can piggyback on. Whether you post daily, hourly or weekly, laying out your calendar will help make sure you are consistent in your sharing. What and when is a great start, but you also have to consider where you should post. For example, if you are sharing some awesome pictures of the new range of sarees that just came into the shop, that might be a great update to share on local social sites like Instagram or Pinterest. On the other hand, if you want to share a special things offer for your biggest fans, you might share that with your connections on Facebook or Google Plus instead. Next, don't forget to think about who's going to be doing all of this posting and sharing. Are you going to do it all yourself, or are you going to share the work? Writing down who's responsible for that in your plan will make sure you can follow through. And finally, don't forget about the why. Why are you posting all of these updates for them? Which business goals are the post meant to support? If social media is all about raising awareness for you, make sure your posts are designed to do that. On the other hand, if social media is more of a way for you to deepen relationships with your existing fans and customers, your posts are going to look quite different. There's no right or wrong approach, but again, make sure you know why you are sharing what you are sharing for them. So that's a social media plan. Once you have got all these tasks spread out across a calendar for the next months, all of a sudden it's much easier to see how you are going to tackle the brave new world of social media. You might be thinking, wow, that's a lot of work. How am I going to actually do it? Well, would not it be great if you could block out a day In your calendar, write up all the things you did like to post for the next 6 months and then queue them so up they automatically get shared when you are ready for that. The good news is there are tools out there that can help you do that and much more. With social media management tools like Hotsuite, you can create the things you want to post and share in advance. You can decide which networks you want to share them on. You can collaborate with your co-workers to let them help you along the roads on social media success. On top of that, you can use tools like these to listen to what people are saying back to you on social media. You didn't forget, did you? Social media is a two-way conversation, not just a megaphone for you to use to broadcast your message. So we have learned. Social media takes some work and dedication if you want to have real success. Putting together a detailed plan will help you to take your efforts to the next level, and there are lots of tools available for you. Now, you are very well on your way to conquering social media. I hope you like this video as well. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.